Sitting right there is the 181 east to west Della Terra LE, and I'm trying to get a shot on the top. So you can see right up on top there is the Winegard Air 360 Plus. So basically what that is, it's a digital antenna, and it's good for about 50 miles. You can add a Wi-Fi extender to it if you wanted to, and you can get your TV that way, or else you can hook up to cable or satellite. But that nice digital antenna up there is pretty slick. So you got a electric tongue jack right there. Comes with a kill switch for the 12 volt for your battery. Through storage right there. This one has one slide out. I'm gonna sweep around this side. You can see your black tank flush there, and then your hookup for power comes with the spare tire. Your city water hookups back here, along with the hot and cold water shower. So it's prepped right there for a backup camera. We sell those. We can put it on for you, no charge if you buy one. And then we also have the new Lippert ladder system. So a lot of travel trailers don't have a ladder with them, but you can add one. It's an aluminum telescoping ladder that goes up about 1.5 feet past the roof on an angle, so real easy to climb, and it hooks right into those, boop, right there into those holes, and makes it easy to climb up if you needed to get on the roof to sweep some leaves or sticks off. Nice big awning, runs just about the full length of the camper. Awning lights right there. Swinging around here. There's the other side of the storage. We're gonna get you in that storage right there. And as you can see, as we duck in, it's very clean in here. And it's got a light, nice big bright LED light on both ends. But just really well finished in here, unlike some other campers we've seen. So we're gonna head inside. When you walk in there, you can see you got, this is actually the 60 by 80 queen bed right there. Storage up above and right there. Extra little shelves. And then behind the bed here, you got another little storage spot. Plug right there so you can charge your phone. Swing it around to the table. That'll make into a bed. Nice little dinette set. Lots of window space. Pleated shades. Spot right here for a TV. Your thermostat. And then we're going to pop open the bathroom here. It's a really decent sized bathroom with foot flush toilet. Lots of counter space. Storage down there. Medicine cabinet storage. Tub with surround and shelving. It's more of a basin than a tub, so we'll call it a shower. And then over to the bunk beds. There's storage underneath here. Two nice big, if it wasn't for the corner being cut off, it'd be a full-size bed, but a lot of them have this corner cut off. You just tuck the sheets under there. But that's a nice setup. Nice big refrigerator. So you got lots of space in there. And the freezer too, really big. That's a big drawer. You fit a lot of beer, soda in there. Big drawer down there. Storage spots. So you got a little 2-burner stove set up right there. You still want to be cooking bacon inside, huh? But scrambling up some eggs and stuff like that be pretty slick. Sink right here. Stainless steel sink. More storage up top, and then you have your microwave right there. And you can see, like I was talking about, that king antenna. If you wanted to add extra right there, you can add the Gateway 1000, which gives you a way longer distance for your picking up on stuff for TV, Wi-Fi, all that. So I'm going to zoom in right here. It's got solar on the roof. It's 200 watt solar panel with a 30 amp charger. There's all the standards that come with it. Ollie's no bull pricing, $23,497. Man, I'll tell you, you can't beat it. They make some other models, but this is nice, easy to pull. And you're looking at, what, 4,800 pounds, 24 feet bumper to hitch. So here's another plug down here. So easy to pull, a great camper for the family. Get out camping for the summer. If you think this is going to work for you, swing on by, check it out. There's all your, and then the solar charge controller there. It's not hooked up to a battery, that's why it's kind of weirded out right there, but really you don't have to do anything. It just automatically charges the battery. And then you got your black tank check, and you can check your tanks and your battery power. It tells you right there where everything is. And then your lights, and you got a hot, and your hot water heater is gas and electric, so that's slick. And then your slide out buttons right there, your awning out because the electric awning on it. Can't say enough. It's a cool little camper. I'll tell you, it's hard to show how roomy it is, but it actually, you can see there's a lot of floor space in here. So come check her out. Thank you.